Hello guys, how are you? Today we are going to talk about the cryptocurrency baby Doge coin that could be surreal, R100, and you can turn it into R850,000 if the cryptocurrency baby Doge coin reaches the price of Shiba Inu. That's right, we are going to see the potential of this cryptocurrency. So if you invest in baby Dogecoin, this video is essential for you. Leave in the comments how much baby Dogecoin you have in your wallet and follow all the content to understand what I want to show you. This video is very cool, so watch all the content. For you who are new here, I already invite you to subscribe to the channel. It doesn't cost you anything, but it helps me a lot to keep bringing content to you. That's right, give that strength, subscribe to the channel, share this video with a friend. And let's go through baby Dogecoin, which is currently quoted at 0.008 after the comma 1962. That's right, it's a very cheap cryptocurrency, with a very low cost, with little capital. You buy a lot of cryptocurrencies, which is what I'm going to show you here in this video. Including baby Dogecoin, valuing 7.04 on the last day. Baby Dogecoin is a cryptocurrency that since 2021. It had its launch, it had peaks of highs, from then on it fell, corrected, delivered everything to the market again. Baby Dogecoin has always been working there for a listing within the Binance brokerage. And finally, in this year of 2024, baby Dogecoin got the listing in Binance. So much so that it had a very expressive price increase, it had a high here, right? From then on, it had its correction, which is normal, cryptocurrencies, the market in general. Move in cycles, go up and down, and baby Dogecoin with the Binance listing. The potential for strong valuation has increased even more within this cryptocurrency. Because if we consider here, in addition to the price, it is a meme cryptocurrency. With several zeros there, several zeros after the comma. It is a meme cryptocurrency that already delivers a purpose to the market. It already has its DX, it has the noble question of taking care of animals. So there are several points that baby Dogecoin here differs from other altcoins, from other meme coins in this case. So its market capitalization, the fundamental point here is that it has space for growth. Today it is only with $300 million within its market capitalization. Which favors strong highs, in addition to all the work of this new team of baby Dogecoin. And the listing within Binance, but then let's go to the point that matters. Baby Dogecoin is here with 8 zeros after the comma, 1962. And Shiba Inu for those who have been in the cryptocurrency market for a long time. Who knows is a cryptocurrency that exploded, Shiba Inu exploded. At this moment here Shiba Inu is with 4,017.56. That is, baby Dogecoin is with 8 zeros as we see here, 8019. Shiba Inu 4017. I will show you here you buying only 100 reis. Inside baby Dogecoin you can turn these 100 reis into more than 850,000 reis. So going through Shiba Inu here, as I told you, it's a cryptocurrency that exploded. So if we get some news here, there are several. Wallet that bought $13,000 of Shiba Inu there in 2020. That is, a short period, right? We are in 2024 now. Imagine the investor bought $13,000 here, $13,000. And turned these $13,000 into $5 billion, that's right. Shiba Inu is a cryptocurrency, it is one of the cryptocurrencies that most valued in the market. It's Shiba Inu had a meteoric rise since its launch in August 2020. Until its historical price record in October 2021, in a period of only 14 months. Shiba Inu exploded 17 million%. Why am I showing you here, Shiba Inu exploded 17 million%? Because several cryptocurrencies delivered strong valuations. Investors became millionaires with low amounts here. This investor invested more, right, $13,000. But there are cases here of investors who bought with a very low amount. And became millionaires with Shiba, because the cryptocurrency valued 17 million%. I'm already starting at this point here, what I want to show you is this. Things in the crypto market happen, of course it's not easy, right, it's very difficult. But it always happens, it's difficult, but it happens, it's that case, right, that story. Why? Because Shiba Inu valued this much, Dogecoin valued this much. Pepcoin also valued, cut zeros, Dogecoin, Pepcoin, Bonk. Several cryptocurrencies delivered strong valuations. Why baby Dogecoin can't cut zeros, right? But to start talking here, first of all, about this issue of our 100,000 becoming our 850,000. Since then, folks, the cryptocurrency baby Dogecoin. Today it has 400, it was launched there with 424 trillion cryptocurrencies. Burned more than 52, it's in the order there, put it there, of 210 quadrillions of cryptocurrencies. Shiba Inu has in the order here of 589 trillion, that is, without burning it is impossible. It has this valuation, right, but we know that the team is developing several burning mechanism to reduce the supply of baby Dogecoin. So it would need to have a mass adoption, it would need burning to get there. So this point here, we know it has to have burning. Because I know a lot of people will not watch the whole video, just take it there. But the title already comments, so it has to have burning, this is obvious, this is logical, okay? But considering here, right, an expressive valuation of baby Dogecoin. To get here at the level of valuation of Shiba Inu. So we're going to go here inside the BitGate, here inside the BitGate. There is a baby Dogecoin calculator where you put the value here and the currency you want to calculate. In the case here now, baby Dogecoin here and here is in an SD. So we're going to change here to BRL, to Brazilian Real. So we're going to put BRL here, put BRL investing our 100 in baby Dogecoin. And today you would buy this amount of tokens here 9,278,000,000 of baby Doge tokens. Considering the value of baby Dogecoin leaving the point that is from 8,019 to the value of Shiba Inu 4,017. So we're going to see here how much you would turn this are 100. So times here 0.1234017, which is the value, the price of Shiba Inu at the time of recording the video. So you would turn this value of our 100 into 157,733. That's right, because I'm looking at dollars, right? Doing all the simulation here in dollars. As you can see here in baby Dogecoin and also in Shiba Inu in dollars. Remembering that the dollar is logically much larger than the real, right? So this value here of our 157,733, you would turn this value, the dollar today is in our 5.52. Times 5.52, you would turn this investment of our 100. That you bought with baby Dogecoin, it counting their 8,019. And you sold it there in the future for our 4,017, the price of Shiba Inu. You would turn this investment of our 100 into our 870,690. With the baby Dogecoin cryptocurrency investing only our 100 within this cryptocurrency. As you can see here, the investment of our 100, you would turn it into our 870,690. So if you invest our 200, we will double here, right? Inside the calculator, our 200 times 2, right? Our 1,741,381 with the baby Dogecoin cryptocurrency. And you investing our 200, it leaves the current value it is. And reach the price of the Shiba Inu cryptocurrency. Can you imagine a millionaire investing only our 200 in this cryptocurrency? That's right, guys, it's surreal, as I put here in the video's cover, it's surreal. And if this will happen or not, only time will show it to us. But saying it again, without having chemas, without having a massive reduction of the supply of baby Dogecoin, mathematically it is impossible. To cut 4 zeros, the cut of up to 2 zeros within baby Dogecoin. Mathematically it is possible and feasible. The cut of 2 zeros within baby Dogecoin would be something around our 15 billion. Considering the supply in circulation of this cryptocurrency. That is, fully possible and feasible given the size of the community. And the amount of investors the baby Dogecoin has. Now 4 zeros would be another job, right? Massive chemas and everything else. But the intention is to show you this surreal valuation. In case baby Dogecoin reaches the value of Shiba Inu, right? And will this happen or not? As I told you, only time will show it to us. But some things happen, right? Shiba Inu exploded, Dogecoin exploded, Pepcoin exploded, Bonk exploded. Several cryptocurrencies exploded. Maybe baby Dogecoin will explode. And depending on the amount of baby Dogecoin and the value invested that you have, you don't need to cut so much from zero. There are investors, there are many tokens. A very high value invested in baby Dogecoin. With a cut of 1 zero it would already be a millionaire 10 times of capital valuation. Cut of 2 zeros, 100 times of capital valuation. That is, the investor who has our 10,000 in baby Dogecoin and quarter 2.0 is 100 times more valuable. He is already a millionaire with this cryptocurrency. That's it guys, this was today's video. Thank you all and see you in the next video.